In this video, I do some more work on the ceiling. We got some more supplies to get the work done on the ceiling. We bought a car and we bought a mini tractor. It is Monday afternoon. I've been putting in some extra drywall sheets and I've been using the method of measuring once and cutting twice, because if you love your job then you want it to take forever. Or as they say at Grind Hard, work dumber, take longer. Yeah, that's the method. It's getting a bit shadowy, but after this sheet I'm gonna put in some lights here. Temporary light solution. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Let's see if it works. Ta-da! It works! Ooh. Ah, that's quite a bit of light. I like this. Yeah, big difference. A lot of the angles here are not exactly square. That has to do with the beams I used. Some of them were a little bit crooked and I wanted to be quick, so I didn't adjust any of that. To make sure I got the right angles on my drywall sheet, I used an old piece of insulation that is absolutely square, and I can see that here in this corner I'm missing 3 centimeters. So if I transfer this to the sheet here, then that side should be 3 centimeters longer. So that's a fail-safe way to make sure I got everything right. In the last video I got a question about how exactly I put the sheets in. First step is I put a little piece of wood right underneath one side of where the sheet comes, and then I put the stud underneath that holds it up, and then I have my hands free to screw it in. It's actually that simple. That went really well. Don't even need the beam. You saw the beam fall away, and what you didn't see is that it just fell next to the windows, so I didn't break them, which was all part of the plan. A while ago I bought a Makita brad nailer, and finally today the nails came in. I ordered that together. I can tell you which shop promised to have everything but didn't, but I'm not gonna, because they don't deserve the attention. Anyway, that's the nails and a bed. Is this locked? Woo! Alright. That works. I like this. For the last part of the ceiling here, I have to make some holes for this. Yeah, okay. For these round poles. This is going to be a bit tricky, so I'm going to use some CAD, cardboard aided design. And I'll show you how to do that for those difficult shapes. That Pencil fits through. Got the templates I made for the other pole, and gonna see how close it matches to this one. So I've got something to go on. Gonna transfer this. It is Thursday 10 in the morning right now, and in about an hour next week's video's topic is gonna arrive, and I'm really excited for that. Don't cut towards your thumb, that's stupid. So this is the first one I did, and I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a bit of a gap between the pole and the ceiling. I'm gonna seal that with insulation foam. I'm gonna do that from the top. So to check the other side, I just put my template upside down. Our friends Joost and Laura were selling their mini tractor, and we bought that mini tractor. And if you want to know what we are going to do with it, that's in the next video. If you want to follow them, I've got a link to their Instagram in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, share the video with other people, and I hope to see you in the next one.